In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your Telegram account from people who already have your phone number. Whether it's due to privacy concerns, keeping your personal and professional lives separate, or simply wanting more control over your online presence, this guide is for you. Step-by-step instructions. Open Telegram and go to your settings. Tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way down and select Data Settings. First, disable the Sync Contacts option. Then, delete your previously synced contacts right below that option. Once this is done, people who have your number will no longer find you on Telegram, and you won't appear in their contacts list either. If they try to search for you, it will say no user found. Want to let a few people contact you? You can go back to Privacy Settings. Phone number. Generate a private invite link and share it directly with them. That way, only those with the link can reach you. And that's it. Simple and effective. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.